What is going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Extremely early recap today. It is 9:06 in the morning, and I need to get this recap out of the way. I don't think I want to trade anymore. Been a fairly adventurous morning already. I actually got up around 4 o'clock and sat down. My computer ended up rebooting, finally came back online, and I took some trades pre-market. And yeah, that's where we're at. So I'm gonna go ahead. Let's pull up the trade performance report. And then I didn't get OBS going this morning, so we're going to just have to look at the charts, but we're going to be reviewing trades for February 28th. Got one more day in the month. It's a leap year this year, but gross profit $1,169.90. Gross losses $230.10. $100 of that was just stupidity. Basically, I didn't get out of a trade that I should have. Net profit, though, was $939.80. Where are we at? Percent profitable, 68%. So not the best average, but we were still good. You see, going short, zero. Lost all short trades. 77% going long. Average winning trade 48.75. Average losing trade 20. That's pretty good. We batting over 2R right there. Largest winning trade 205. Largest losing trade $30. So that right there is good. And then still got my darn account thing pulled up, so you can look down here and see how that money was split up. These first two accounts are $50,000 PA accounts. This is my cash account, and this is the $25,000 account. If I do take any more trades today, it'll be in the $25,000 account if I take any more trades. But right now, I don't think I will be taking any more trades. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just remove this. This is my left-hand screen. I'll get this out of the way. I always say that I'm taking trades off screen. This is the monitor that I'm using. I traded both the 50K accounts over on the left-hand screen this morning. These are NQ charts. So I'm going to go ahead. We'll take a look at these trades. And they're a little unorthodox this morning as well. So let's get both of them pulled up. And I like this setup because I can easily take two trades. It's just click, 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 click. And I'm in trades on both sides. I'm thinking about getting the replicator program, though, to where if you take a trade in one account, all of your other accounts can be synced up and it'll take it across the board. But this particular trade, look at this chart, y'all. Just a bloody bath. It just bled off, breaking all levels, broke this 4-hour level. Broke these purple lines where I'm not sure where I got these levels from, y'all. This red line, that's previous day's close, and it just kept coming down. And if you notice, I went long. Arrows on the left-hand side. I'm going long. I get 1, I get 2, I get 3. My stop is going to be this intraday level, and I'm playing this as a reversal, but I'm kind of ahead of the trade. I'm like, Vega and Evan in the Discord will say kind of front running the trade. I'm on the front side of the trade. So I could have got clapped. I could have took a decent L on this trade, but my stop was going to be this intraday line regardless. So like this last one that I got in, my entry was 93. My stop would have been about 87. That would have been $100 that I would have lost on that one right there. Come down and look at the other PA account, somewhat similar trade. These I did get in a little bit lower because again, I'm getting in on this one, kind of managing it, and then I jumped in on this one. But it does kind of curl back up, and look at what I got out making on that one. Just in this one move. This is the only trade that I took in this account. Kind of curled, came back up over this line. I got out, Made 505 on the trade. This one did pretty much the same thing, curled, came back up, and I got out making 265. This was a green trade. This was a green trade. This was a red trade. So this was one of the red trades that I had. But watch this, y'all. This is a perfect example of front running a move. Watch when I keep scrolling this over. Look at that. Look at that. Would have never stopped out. Would have never stopped out. And this probably would have been, I don't know how much this trade would have made. This trade right here would have broke the bank. I don't know how much that trade would have made, but just right idea. Notice that one basically bottom ticked the entry. Basically bottom ticked the entry because this thing has just ran. So those were the two PA accounts. Let's go ahead. Let's see what we want to do. We'll look at the 25K PA account. So I'm gonna bring that over to my main screen. Let's go ahead, scroll this over. This is the one where I say I took a loss that I did not need to take a loss on. So first trade of the morning. It's not the best trade. If y'all watch my videos, I'm pretty sure you can tell me why this was not a very smart trade. And if you don't watch my videos, I'm going to tell you. This line right here, that's my 4-hour price level line. Also, you got the 200 SMA right there. I shouldn't be going long right there. Reason being, that's resistance. That's resistance. I go long. This thing comes back down. I stop out. Excuse me. Man, this cold has been kicking my butt. Stop out. Chart flips red. I go short. I go short right here. 30 entry. Stop's going to be up there. 41. 11 points. 11 points. Not bad. I actually stop out way up here because I didn't move my stop. That was 15 points that I lost in that trade. This is the one where I said I should have been green. This came down. Looking to the left, I expect this to run, and break this pivot. It does not. I did not adjust my stop at all. We know that because if you look right here, 15 points is my default stop. So as soon as I get into a trade, it automatically puts a bracket in at 15 points. I didn't adjust it. Almost like a deer in the headlights. This thing came down. Should have been chasing it. I did not. It comes back up, makes the move, and I stop out. Stop out. Now I'm like, I was on the right side of the trade right here. This was on the right side, but I was front running again. I was getting in below resistance. So I hammer in. This comes up. It meets this resistance right here off this line. Again, I'm not sure where I'm getting this level from, but pulls back. I grab 3 more right here. I grab 3 more. And then this thing makes this nice move up. I got my trail stop in place. It stops me out. Watch this, y'all. Decent stop because it would have put me all the way back down at break even. Curls back up. I go long again. Now this time, I'm only going long with 1. I'm only going long with 1 because I want to make sure that I'm still on the right side of this trade. Makes this move up. It does not break and keep going. It just kind of flushes back down. I get my stop basically in profit. I think I made like $5 or $10 off of this trade. Comes back down, tags me, and you see it. Just bleeds off and bleeds off. And curls back up. But I had told myself I was done trading, posted in the Discord, like I'm done trading. I wanted to take this trade right here. I was watching this play out. Stop would have been up at the top here. This would have been the trade of the day. Trade this down to 4-hour level, see how it reacts. Notice I could put the stop there, stop there, stop there, put the stop there. It's finally going to kind of stop me out right there, and then it makes the move. That's that little peekaboo, though. Look at that. Let's see. What's the high? The high of that candle is 940.75. The high of that candle, 940.75. So if I gave this just a little room on that side, I wouldn't have stopped out. And I have been kind of bar by barring my trades lately, because notice, after that move, if I bar by bar this, bar by bar, bar by bar, I'm not stopping out to probably right here. It's probably going to stop me out right there. And definitely once it gets over there, it's stopping me out. But that would have been a solid move. Let's keep going. Get the flip back green. Makes a nice move up. Again, not sure where these lines are coming from. I don't know what chart, what time frame I found these on, but look at how it reacted. Double topped off of it, back down. We'll keep scrolling this over till we get to where the market is right now. And then I'm going to wrap this one up. Comes back up, breaks over it, flips again below the 4-hour. Now, this one's probably going to be a decent size stop. 937. Stop's going to be 947, 10 points. Not bad. 937. It gets you about 10 points out of the trade. That's that 1-to-1. I don't mind a 1-to-1 trade. And then this is where we're at right now. It just flipped back green. So if you wanted to take this trade, that's a 926 entry. Stop is 917. That's 9 points. Gonna try to trade this back up to 935. So just about another 1-to-1 trade. But on this one, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna look at the 2-minute chart. 2 minutes is red. I don't know if I would want to be going long right here, trying to play this back up, because right now it's kind of finding resistance at the fast moving average on the 2-minute chart. 5-minute chart, it still has room up to about 932. And then 15-minute looks good. A little bottom and tail, a little tiny top and tail. So this probably going to finish as a doji candle, unless the market just kind of makes a run just like that. Just kind of makes a run going up. But yeah, could take that trade. Just got to have realistic expectations that once it gets up here to 935, it's going to kind of reject. But yeah, we'll go ahead and wrap that up right there. Like I said, I don't foresee myself taking any more trades today. Let me get that back online. There we go. Yeah, don't see myself taking any more trades. So as always, thanks for checking me out. If you hadn't hit that like button, please do so. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comments. This is one of the nice things about futures. Market opens at 9:30 Eastern time. It's 9:20 and I am done. I am done trading. I don't think I want to take any more trades this morning. I'm going to go ahead and lock this day in. We'll see what tomorrow looks like. On that note, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up and we'll be back at it again tomorrow. Peace.